Alright, hello again. So this is a screen video of what I'm going to do in terms of programming and data logging with my device. As you saw in the previous segment there, I adjusted the magnet to be right in the middle of my range, so 4 centimeters away from the Hall effect sensors in the Z direction and right in the middle of the Hall effect sensors, between the two of them, what I'd call the X axis. So now if I open up my data logger programs, which I've actually already done. Here's my first logger, and this logger reads sensor 1 in the diagram shown in my report. So if I run this, I can, or actually I have to set the digits of precision a bit higher here and decrease the sampling to get more samples. So as far as I can see here, we're good to go. We just hit the button. It asks us to save the files, so I'm just gonna I have a specific file I made for this, so it's in the demonstrations, and we'll call this sensor 1 center. Save. So now it's just logging the data, getting values for it. I'm going to let it run for a while here just to get as accurate a reading as possible. And once I get a data file of this, I'm going to take it, I'm going to average it in Excel and determine what field it was sensing due to previous calibrations. So let's stop it here, and now let's open up our second data logger program. Basically the same program, just helps me organize everything and allows me to change the channel to channel 1 on my board, and then here. So let's run it now. Same thing, except this time it's sensor 2 center. Now theoretically these two should be the same. They're going to be a bit off obviously, but these two sensors should give the same magnetic field. So let's save it. And again, let it run for a while. Okay, should be enough data. Alright, so let's open these files, which I again saved to this demonstration folder here. Sorry. So here's all the readings it got. And you can see just run down all of them here. We got close to 300 readings there. Usually I'd get a lot more readings in that time span, but I think because I'm running this screen capture video thing, that it's going to slow that down a bit, but yeah, we'll see if it works anyway. So I'm just going to take the average of all these cells here, because there's still a lot of noise in the system. So yeah, I'll just record that number down, so it'll show you bigger. And now let's open up the other one as well. Again, same thing. This is from switch 2, or switch to sensor 2. And that gives us this value. So I'm going to write these down. I'm going to go to my calibration tables, determine what magnetic field that represents in terms of for each sensor. So, and then I'll take those values, I'll put them into my MATLAB, which you'll see in the next video, and you'll see what value it gives. So hopefully it's good.